Hey, kindergarten, today is Friday, April 3rd, and it is time for sound work. If you have done every day of sound work with us this week, give yourself a pat on the back. You've done 5 days this week. Nice job. All right, let's get started with our rhymes. Today's rhyme is up. Thinking of some words that rhyme with up. Hop, shop, top, mop, stop. Can you think of any more? All right, ready? Beginning sound. Umbrella, umbrella, otters, otters, secret, secret, s. Upper, upper, ticket, ticket, t, t, t. All right, let's do our blending with our sound boxes. Here are our sound boxes. Get your objects ready. Remember, it's okay if you don't have a box and an arrow, just get your objects. Ready? Odd, pod. Your turn. Odd, pod. Okay, here comes the next one. Mud, mud. Mud, mud. Tan, tan. Tan, tan. Okay, here comes our next word. Op, hop. Okay, your turn. Op, hop. Zip, zip. Your turn. Zip, zip. Gum. Gum. Okay. Dad. Okay, your turn again. Ready? Dad. Rock. Good blending. Bit. Your turn. Bit. Okay, last one for today. Map. Okay, your turn. Ready, go. Map. Nice job. Okay, let's ride that roller coaster. Figure out the middle sound. Ready? Dock. D-ock. Bus. B-us. Fill. Ill. I. Pass. Ass. Nut. Nut. Win. In. I. Mud. Mud. Choppers, each sound. Ready? Dot. D-ot. Jug. Jug. Lid. Lid. Gas. Ass. Mop. Mop. Bin. In. Fuzz. Tag. Tag. Sock. Sock. Win. In. All right, here we go. Ready? Add. Pad. Us. Add bus. Op. Add top. Add rub. Id. Add hid. Okay, ready? Taking away from the beginning of the word. His without is. Gum without g is Cob without k is ob. Lip without l is ip. Sub without s is ub. Okay, now we're going to replace that beginning sound. You ready? Bug, change b to r, rug. Fun, change f to t, ton. Tan, tan, change t to man. Lid, lid, change l to hid. Hug, hug, change h to jug. All right, let's go through our letters and sounds. Ready? Letter G, sound g, g. Second sound j, j, j. Letter K, sound k, k, k. Letter O, sound ah, ah, ah. Second sound O. Letter I, sound I, I, I. Second sound I. Letter X, sound x. Sometimes at the beginning of the word it might say z. Letter T, sound t, t, t. Letter R, sound r. Letter H, sound h, h, h. Letter P, sound p, p, p. Letter Y, sound y, y, y. Sometimes it says E or I. Letter Z, sound z. Letter M, sound mm. Letter A, sound ah, ah, ah. Second sound A. Letters TH, sound th. Letter D, sound d, d, d. Letter E, sound eh, eh, eh. Second sound E. Letter U, sound Second sound U. Letter Q, sound qu, qu, qu. Letter J, sound j, j, j. Letter L, sound L. Letter W, sound w, w, w. Letter S, sound s. Letters CH, sound ch, ch, ch. Letter C, sound k, k, k. Second sound s. Letter B, sound b, b, b. Letters SH, sound sh. Letter F, sound f. Letter N, sound n. Letter V, sound v. Okay, it's our last day for our nursery rhyme. Let's go ahead and read it one more time. Ready? Next week we'll have a new one. Okay, back it up just a time. Ready? Here we go. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Very good. Let's do it one last time. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Great job doing a whole week of sound work this week, kindergarten. I'll see you next week. Oh, next week is spring break, so I will see you the week after that.